In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a projected cash inflow and review your forecast in Xero's Cash Flow Manager. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record an expected payment and see how it changes your short-term cash position. Start by logging into Xero as you normally would. Once you're in, head to the reporting area. This is where Xero groups tools that help you understand your numbers at a glance. From here, select Cash Flow Manager. This view pulls together your expected cash in and cash out to help you plan ahead. If your screen looks slightly different, that can be due to user permissions or feature availability, but the flow will be largely the same. Before making any changes, take a moment to review the cash flow overview. Look at the timeline across the top, the totals for upcoming periods, and the graph that visualizes when money is due to come in or go out. This quick scan helps you understand where the pressure points are and where an additional inflow will have the most impact. Now, choose Add Cash In, Out. This opens the panel where you can record a forecasted movement. Because we're adding expected income, select Cash In. This tells Xero you're planning for money coming into the business rather than an expense. Enter the projected cash in amount. Use the currency and number format shown on your screen, and keep the figure realistic to avoid overestimating your position. Next, add the cash inflow details. Be descriptive enough that you or a teammate will recognize it later. Include a brief description like the customer name or purpose, and any internal reference that helps you track this forecast against an invoice or deal in progress. Clear notes make future reviews faster and reduce duplicate entries. Choose the projected payment date. Pick the date you reasonably expect the funds to land in your bank account, not just when an invoice is sent. If there's uncertainty, aim conservatively so you don't plan spending against money that may arrive later. Take a moment to review the cash in forecast in the summary panel. Confirm the amount, description, and date all look right, and that you've classified it as cash in. Small errors here can skew the whole picture. When everything checks out, click Save. Xero applies your forecasted inflow to the timeline. Finally, review the updated cash flow graph. You should see the curve adjust to reflect the new inflow on the chosen date, along with updated period totals. This visual confirmation helps you validate the impact immediately and decide whether further adjustments are needed. If your plans change later, you can always return to refine the details so your forecast stays accurate and useful.